Aha m bụ Becky, abụ m onye Igbo, abụkwa m onye Naịjirịa, abụ m YouTuber, m na-akụzi otu esi eto na YouTube. Biko, ka ị na-ekiri m, biko klikie the subscribe button ma klikikwe the notification button ka ị mara oge m posturu vidio so that ị ga-afụkwa m ebe a echi. Biko sọpọtụ ọnụ m. Daalụkwanụ ụmụnne m hụrụ n'anya. Bye bye.
Pause for a second. Pretty impressive, right? But wait, that's not even the best part. Let's play another one.
Ohun tá a máa kọ́lé ní alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì Yorùbá. Alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì Yorùbá jẹ́ 25 lápapọ̀. Ẹ wá bá mi wá nǹkan.
This video is so good. People keep asking how it was made. Yes, that's AI. Speaking Yoruba. Speaking
Video? Want AI to speak your language? Follow these steps.
So the first thing to do is to get your sound. Just go to your browser and type Morph AI. So it will show you this interface where you will see this particular one. You click on it. The work of this Morph AI is that you can tell the AI, like, you can generate the sound in your own voice. If you want the AI to speak in your own voice, like, you can get it from this Morph AI. That's why I could be able to speak my language. So this is the interface of Morph AI. So what you have to do is to click on these 3 lines up. Click on the 3 lines up. It will bring you to product. Then you click on product, and then you will see voice changeover. Then you click on voice changeover. Here you either upload your file. If you have any file in MP3, you upload it or you record. So I recorded the voice that you see on the beginning of this video. On record audio, if you want to speak on your language, any language of your choice, just record it. This is me recording the sound that you see at the beginning of this video. So after recording, it's like 30 minutes or so, 30 seconds or so, so it stopped. After recording, it will bring you here where you can change your voice. Like, if you don't want to use your real voice, you can click on any of the voices that you see here and you make a choice, either a girl or a man, so anyone you wanted. Then after choosing the voice you wanted, it will start processing. So let's just wait for it to process. So it has finished processing. So you can just click on it and listen to what you have generated. If it's not good, you can just start over again. But if it's good, you can just click on download, and that's all with Morph. So we head over to our image generator so we can add our voice, we can add our sound. So to add our voice or to add our sound to the image, we'll be using Hedging AI. I have talked about this Hedging AI in my previous video. So this Hedging AI is a perfect app that will give you a perfect lip syncing. So you can watch the first video, you see that the lip syncing is very neat. So if you come to your browser, type Hedging AI, it will bring you to this interface where you can log in with your Google account if you have not done that. So log in with your Google account. After logging in, you can just leave the app and come again so that it can be, you can access everything about the app, because sometimes it's used to misbehave. You can just switch to your desktop version by clicking on this AA, then type desktop, switch to desktop version, so you can see everything about the app. Some features used to hide if you're not using desktop. So when you come to Hedging AI, what you have to do is to click on this avatar, create avatar. When you click on it, it will show you to upload photos, and downside is to describe your description or write your description. So you click on upload photos, and I hope you have already generated the image that you want to use. So you just upload your photo, the image you want to use. So we'll be using this my fine woman. So after uploading it, you click on this play icon here to select the voice that you want to use, whether you are using a man or a woman. As you are using a woman, you can just select any of the voices, just play it and know the type of voice that you need for the, depending on what you are saying or on what you wanted the image to say. So we click on, I'll be using this particular one to match the image. So after choosing the voice, after choosing the voice you wanted, then you click on this small icon that you are seeing, and they will ask you to allow the mic. You allow it, then you change it. If you come to the upper side, you change it to upload your audio, because we have already downloaded our audio, so that's what we'll be using. You click on upload your audio and tap on the box. If you tap on it, it will show you camera, your file, your gallery. So you choose it wherever you saved it, and then the sound is uploading. Let's just wait for it to upload. So as you're waiting for it to generate, another thing you can use to do this is sync.so. I made a video about it on my previous post, so you can just go there and watch how that one works, because sometimes these people will tell you, this hygiene AI will tell you that you are out of free service, so you can switch to the other one to generate your image. You can just watch the video and see how it works. So our image has finally generated. Let's just listen to it.
Aha m bụ Becky, abụ m onye Igbo, abụkwa m onye Nigeria, abụ m YouTuber, na-akụzi otu esi eto na YouTube. Biko, ka ị na-ekiri m, biko click the subscribe button, ma click the notification.
If this video helped you, please subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification button to be notified anytime I post a new video. See you on my next one. Bye.